Are you struggling to understand Udyam registration? This tutorial simplifies the Udyam registration process for you. By the end, you'll know how to register your business effortlessly. First, determine if your business qualifies as an MSME. Check your investment and annual turnover figures. A micro-enterprise has up to 1 crore investment and 5 crore turnover. A small enterprise allows up to 10 crore investment and 50 crore turnover. A medium enterprise permits investment up to 50 crore and turnover of 250 crore. Next, prepare your Aadhaar number. This is crucial for your Udyam registration. Sole proprietors need their own Aadhaar number. Partnerships require the managing partner's Aadhaar. For companies, use the Aadhaar of an authorized signatory. Now, navigate to the Udyam registration portal. This process is online and free. Visit the official government portal for registration. After that, enter your Aadhaar information. Provide your Aadhaar number and name as shown on it. You'll receive a one-time password on your mobile. Use this OTP for identity verification. Next, input your PAN details. The system retrieves essential information from government databases. This minimizes errors and ensures accurate data. Now, provide your business information. Enter enterprise name, type, address, and bank details. Don't forget to select the appropriate National Industry Classification (NIC) code. Then, supply your investment and turnover data. These figures are pulled from income tax and GST databases. Ensure accuracy here, it affects your MSME classification. After filling in all required information, review your application. Once satisfied, submit it and confirm with an OTP. You will receive your Udyam registration certificate immediately. This certificate provides a unique Udyam registration number and QR code. Download it to access various MSME benefits. Udyam registration offers many advantages like easier loans, protection against delayed payments, and eligibility for government tenders. In summary, Udyam registration is simple and free. Follow these steps to secure your MSME recognition. Every qualifying business should complete Udyam registration now. Apply what you learned today and register your business.